In this video, I will show you how to disable receiving call for video or audio on WhatsApp. Make sure to watch the video to the end, you will not make any mistake. I will show you two methods on how to do it. First of all, close your app. Go to your settings of your phone. You can do this on your Android device or iOS device. If you are using Android device, scroll to down and tap on this app management or default app. So tap on this app list. But if you are using iOS device, all you have to do is just scroll to down. After you come to the setting, you will see where it says WhatsApp. Just tap on the WhatsApp. So I'm using Android now. After you open this section, all you have to do, tap on this search bar to search for WhatsApp. So I'll just go and tap WhatsApp now. So here is WhatsApp. Open up the WhatsApp. After you open up the WhatsApp, the first method that I'm going to show you is tap on this permission. After you tap on this permission, scroll to down and tap on this camera. So tap on this don't allow camera. So tap on this back arrow. Scroll to down again and tap on this microphone. Tap on this disable microphone again. Don't allow. So as you can see now, I disable microphone and camera from my phone. So now no one can be able now to send me a video call or audio call on my WhatsApp. But the side effect of this first option is that you can be able to record something through your WhatsApp to send out to the person, but you can be able now to select recorded video or picture on your phone to send it to another person, but you cannot be able to just record it directly from your phone. So the second method is, if you want to do it, just go back, tap on this notification. So after you tap on this notification, all you have to do is, as you can see here, it says allow notifications, not disable this option. So by disabling this allow notification, now no one can be able now to send me a video call, or now I can be able now to receive a video call or audio call on my WhatsApp. But the side effect of this settings is you can be able to receive any notification unless you open the WhatsApp. But if your WhatsApp is not open, you can be able to receive any notification. So among these two methods that I shown to you now, you can be able now to choose just one of them for your blocking or to disable video call or audio call on your WhatsApp. That's it, guys. If this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys. We'll meet in the next video.